All right, guys, let's look at multiplying and dividing negatives. So there's also video and sections in the app on multiplication, and division skills, all the way up to 12. So if you don't have those in your mind first, go do those first, right? If you're struggling with those, you got to stay with those before you get into multiplying and dividing negatives, um, right? Because even if you know the rules for negatives, if knowing what 6 times 12 is a struggle as far as how to get there, then we got to be able to do that first. Okay, assuming that we've got that, rules are pretty simple. Multiplication and division skills, same rules. If you have two negatives and you multiply them together, you get a positive. If you have two negatives and you divide them, also positive. If it's one positive and one negative, then that's a negative. Okay, so we got like four little examples down here. All right, so negative 36 divided by 9, right? So 36 divided by 9 is 4. We got one negative and one positive, so there's negative 4 for the first one. Okay, next one, we have negative 7 times negative 12, right? So we have two negatives, so we know this is going to be a positive answer. Two negatives equals a positive. And 12 times 7 is 84. So negative 7 times negative 12 is also 84, right? If it had been just 7 times negative 12, one positive and one negative, then we would have had negative 84. Okay, third one down here, negative 8 times 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. And one negative and one positive. We'll throw the negative on there. We got negative 48. And sort of run out of room here. Last one, negative 72 divided by negative 9. Again, we got two negatives, so that means the answer will be positive. 72 divided by 9 is 8. All right, so there's a few examples. We got tons of examples in the app for you to work on multiplying and dividing negatives. There may be a question on that, but it will show up consistently, something you definitely have to be comfortable with to answer all kinds of different algebra type questions as well that can show up.